Barb, I need you and John in the picture.
Blow!
Blow.
Blow!
Yay!
Yeah, you get a piece. Just stick it back because her whole, when she gets it, she's going to get it.
You got a bit
Ooh.
here.
You want a piece?
Where's
Here, I'll wash that out. Sit down.
You're okay.
Come on, me. You can't
It's
sit
okay.
down there.
I don't want you to fall and get hurt, baby.
Sorry, but we need to start strapping her up if she's going to start doing that.
They just had a thing on the news yesterday about
Yep.
kids in high chairs.
Yep. She usually doesn't do that.
You want a piece of cake?
She's
Here,
just
everyone
excited.
get some water and some cake.
Amber, did you hear about the fire down by the Y?
The Gehenna Y?
Yeah, house caught on fire. Got 2:30 this morning.
That's why I kept hearing all these sirens, and I didn't know what was going on.
The helicopter was going around my house, and I don't know if it was MedLife.
Oh.
And they were spotting the
Here's your
lights.
Here's your fork.
So I just got up and went to work.
Here's some water.
Oh. Yeah, they messed up your sleep by then, huh?
Well, I'm sitting busy, and I wouldn't be taking vacation if I didn't mess up and ended up with more vacation than I thought I had.
Oh, wow.
Might be getting hungry. Ooh, let's put these out of the way.
Put 'em
so
on
they
your
don't-
side.
Here,
Put 'em
put
on
'em
your
on
side.
side here.
There you go.
There you go. Ooh, big.
Mmm. Picnic time. Yum, yum.
Right for the icing. Whose kid is she?
Uh-oh. Look at, she smiled.
Do you want a spoon instead?
Yummy.
Look at that smile.
Now she gets to go home with you tonight after all.
Yeah, she's going to be wired for sound. Plus, she had a nap, too.
Did she?
She slept for 3 hours today.
Hey, it's your birthday.
But we're going back. We're not going to go any farther. I don't want you to grow up.
Nope.
Yeah, really, she's growing too fast.
She like it?
Yeah,